Good evening. This is a tutorial for Dripeesha. It is a new dance that I just did, and we're going to be putting it into the next class that'll be posted this week. So I wanted you to have a tutorial on how to do it. So here's the song.
Drip,
Hear it?
Dripeesha. Drip, 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 Dripeesha.
It's not a new song. It's been around for a couple months.
Drip, drip, drip.
Starts here, Monday.
I'll be going all natural. Tuesdays I'll be keeping it casual.
So we're going to start with the first couple 8 counts. So on Monday it starts with a little hitch step, 2, 3, 4, and comb your hair. And then you're going to go to the right, same, and comb your hair. And then you're going to go to the left one more time, or right, your whatever. And then the next one, you're going to step out and you're going to shake your booty. Yes? Okay, let's try that.
Drip, drip, Dripeesha. Drip, 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 Dripeesha.
I'm going to start over to this side since we're going to travel.
Dripeesha. Drip, 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 Dripeesha. Mondays I'll be going all natural. Tuesdays I'll be keeping it casual. Wednesdays I'm gonna post a little hump day pic, cause I happen to be thick, actual. Thursdays I'm at the gym getting body, feeling real spotty. Everybody still call me Cari, but Friday I'm insane, dripping in chains. Don't call my name, call me Dripeesha. Look at that drip.
Okay, I'm going to stop there. Okay, on this part, when he says call me Dripeesha, we're going to slide out, pick that leg up, and you're going to pop that booty all the way around. It's kind of hard for me to do on the carpet. And then it's me, 2, 3, 4. Slide, pop around, me, 2, 3, 4. You could just do if you don't want to pop that knee up, you could just do a slide and turn and knee pulls. So that's another option. So slide, pop, pop, knee, 2, 3, 4. Slide, pop, pop, knee, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then let's step out, kind of slows down, da, 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 and then punch, punch, out, out, punch, punch, out, out. And then believe it starts over. So we do the whole thing again. So let's run through it, and then we'll continue on and keep going through the second round. If you need to stop and rewind, feel free to do so.
Drip, drip, Dripeesha. Drip, 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 Dripeesha. Drip, 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 Dripeesha. Drip, 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 Dripeesha. Mondays I'll be going all natural. Tuesdays I'll be keeping it casual. Wednesdays I'm gonna post a little hump day pic, cause I happen to be thick, actual. Thursdays I'm at the gym getting body, feeling real spotty. Everybody still call me Cari, but Friday I'm insane, dripping in chains. Don't call my name, call me Dripeesha. Look at that drip, 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 boom, boom, and that whip, whip, whip. Call me Dripeesha, drippy the shit, shit, shit. Her swag is so lit, lit, lit. They call me Drip to the E to the Sh. Diamonds like damn, booty like duh. Working on him, trucking on her, fucking it up, fucking it up. Hear my part, bounce that ass, Dripeesha, bounce that ass, Dripeesha, bounce that ass, Dripeesha, bounce that ass.
Next is the bouncy part. So you're going to bounce here for 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and bounce, up and bounce, up and bounce, up and bounce. Yeah? Then it repeats. Okay. Sorry. So we're going to do it again all the way through so you can hear it. See it. Here we go.
Drip, drip, Dripeesha.
And then we're going to move on.
Drip, drip, Dripeesha. Drip, 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 Dripeesha. Drip, drip, drip,
Here we go.
Dripeesha. Mondays I'll be going all natural. Tuesdays I'll be keeping it casual. Wednesdays I'm gonna post a little hump day pic, cause I happen to be thick, actual. Thursdays I'm at the gym getting body, feeling real spotty. Everybody still call me Cari, but Friday I'm insane, dripping in chains. Don't call my name, call me Dripeesha. Look at that drip, 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 boom, boom, and that whip, whip, whip. Call me Dripeesha, drippy the shit, shit, shit. Her swag is so lit, lit, lit. They call me Drip
we go through it again. All right, I'm gonna fast forward a little bit to the next new part. And then this is where we bounce it. Bouncer. Okay, new part here.
Tiffany, Todrick, are you ready?
So we're up and down, up and down, then up and down.
I'ma teach you how to bounce it,
Other side, up and down, and up and down.
Hands on your knees, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek. Now stick your tongue out, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek.
Now we're
Very
bouncing
good.
it.
Let's go and right, left, left.
Turn.
Right, left, left.
Turn.
And right, left, right.
Turn.
Right, left. Both cheeks now. Bounce. Pause, take a break. Bounce. Make it
Then you're gonna
vibrate.
circle.
Circle. Then you drop. Do a split. Look back and make it pop, bitch. I'm Dripeesha. Look at that
Okay.
drip. Boom, and that whip.
I'm gonna walk through that again. So it's up to, down to, up, down. The other side, and down to, up, down. And then 1, 2, down, up. Right, the right cheek, left cheek thing. And then we pop the booty all the way around. And then he does a bounce, pause, take a break, bounce. Make it vibrate, circle, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the chorus. Dripeesha. All right, we're gonna go through it one more time, and this will be the final. And we'll have it all the way done. So let's do this, and then you'll be ready to go. And you can rewind it as many times as you need to if you need to go through it again. Here we go.
Dripeesha. 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 Hey, Dripeesha. Mondays I'll be going all natural. Tuesdays I'll be keeping it casual. Wednesdays I'ma post a little hump day pic, cause I happen to be thick, actual. Thursdays I'm at the gym getting body, feeling real spotty. Everybody still call me Cari, but Friday I'm insane, dripping in chains. Don't call my name, call me Dripeesha. Look at that drip, boom, and that whip. Call me Dripeesha, drippy the shit. Her swag is so lit. They call me drip to the E to the sh. Diamonds like damn, booty like duh. Twerking on him, twerking on her, fucking it up.
Bounce it.
Hear my part, bounce that ass, Dripeesha.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bounce that ass, Dripeesha.
Pick it up.
Bounce that ass, Dripeesha. Bounce that ass, Dripeesha. Bounce that ass, Dripeesha. Bounce that ass. Drip.
Here we go.
Monday still twerking, so I'm running late. Tuesdays I'll be twerking on my coffee break. Wednesdays got a little dinner date. If you want a little taste, I'ma end up twerking on his face. I like to throw back that ass on Thursday. Bitches are thirsty, boys, if you heard me. Let me hear you holler, let me see them dollars. And if you see her in the club, you know what to call her. Dripeesha, look at that drip, boom, and that whip. Call me Dripeesha, drippy that shit. Her swag is so lit. They call me drip to the E to the sh. Diamonds like damn, booty like duh. old to do this shit. This booty still got a whole lot of drip.
Hey.
Get back, bitch. Wait, let me stop before I start a fight.
Ah, so much fun. Thank you.